Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of smartphones. Today, we're buzzing with excitement as we unravel the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy A55, a mid-range powerhouse set to redefine your smartphone experience. So, grab your favorite tech snack and buckle up for an adventure into the cutting-edge features, jaw-dropping design, and the nitty-gritty details that make the Galaxy A55 a game-changer. Samsung has been listening keenly to its user base and has brilliantly addressed the affordability gap with its flagship S series. The Galaxy A55 emerges as the answer, positioned as a mid-range alternative that doesn't compromise on performance or features. This move aims to cater to a broader audience, offering a stellar smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Let's talk about the visual feast that the Galaxy A55 promises. Boasting a 6.5-inch OLED display with full HD plus resolution and a mind-blowing 120Hz refresh rate, your eyes are in for a treat. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your favorite apps, the display's vibrancy and smoothness will elevate your smartphone usage to a whole new level. What powers this beauty? The Galaxy A55 is rumored to pack the Exynos 14 processor, a true workhorse in the mid-range category. Couple that with an AMD GPU, and you're looking at a device that promises significant performance improvements. But let's not just rely on rumors. The Geekbench database already shows impressive results with a single-core score of 1,180 and a multi-core score of 3,536. Brace yourselves for a performance boost. Samsung takes inspiration from its flagship S23, infusing a similar aesthetic into the Galaxy A55. However, what sets it apart are the unique design elements, especially in the side frame. Picture this: a raised design around the volume and power buttons, giving your smartphone interaction a tactile and premium feel. The frame, crafted from metal, adds that extra touch of sophistication, putting it a notch above its mid-range competitors. Now let's zoom into the camera department. While mid-range Samsung phones like the A55 boast competent primary cameras, there's often a gap in secondary camera quality. The Galaxy A55, however, aims to bridge that gap with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 32-megapixel front camera. Though the 5-megapixel macro camera might not see revolutionary improvements, it continues the trend of offering solid, if not exceptional, macro photography in Samsung's mid-range offerings. Geekbench isn't the only place where the Galaxy A55 shines. The Exynos 1480 chipset, featuring 4 high-performance cores at 2.75 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 2.05 GHz, alongside the RDNA 2-based SCITS 530 GPU, promises a performance leap. Gaming enthusiasts, rejoice! This GPU is expected to surpass the capabilities of previous Mali GPUs. However, the support for advanced features like ray tracing in games remains a bit murky. Are you as pumped as we are for the Galaxy A55? But wait, there's more! The Galaxy S24 series is already here. Pre-order the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or the Galaxy S24 Ultra and unlock incredible perks, including up to $750 instant trade-in credit until March 30. Plus, enjoy $150 instant Samsung credit with an exclusive additional $50. Just click on the View Product option in my video and make your purchase through the special links below. Before you go, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech. Your support means the world to us. Share your thoughts on the Galaxy A55 in the comments. We're eager to hear your take. Until next time, Tech Fam, peace out.